So, andito tayo ngayon sa Solen Residences in Santa Rosa City, Laguna to check this new foreclosed vacant lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the property. Total lot area is 240 square meters. So, mula dito sa may poste na to, ayan, may tanda siya actually, ayan, ayan tanda niya. Mula dyan hanggang doon sa kabilang poste na yon. It's a perimeter lot. Hanggang dito. Ayan. Hanggang dyan sa poste na yan. And this is 9.6 million regular price or 40,000 per square meter. Negotiable naman. We can negotiate this to around 8.6 million. So papalo siya around 36,000 per square meter. And that's below market value na po. Actually, may mga pre-selling ngayon dito sa Solen. And ang presyo po nila is nasa 50,000 per square meter na. And up. And this one is nasa around 30,000 per square meter. Yan. Perimeter siya. Yung likod niya, backing Laguna Bel Air. So subdivision po yung likod niya. Okay. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is and first come first serve. Mode of payment is cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance bank financing and in-house plus taxes and fees. So may mga kapitbahay na siya. Ayan, tapat niya. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. May gym sila, oh. Swimming pool is under maintenance. Papalit daw sila ng tubig. Adult and kiddie pool. Lap pool na rin yan. And then ito yung pinaka clubhouse nila. Function area. Ayan.